Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. Today let's learn how to remove an IC step-by-step videos on how to remove your IC, either your CPU, your power IC, your eMMC, any IC. Don't mind my camera, sorry. Just watch the step-by-step videos. If you want to learn more tutorials video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my page, follow, like, comment and share. So this is how to remove your IC successfully. You can see. Just apply your paste to every side of the IC, each corner of the IC. Then you heat it evenly for a few seconds, at most 1 minute, depending on your workstation, how faster your workstation gets it. So after heating it up, then you gradually use your tools to tap it side by side. Then you can use your picker to remove it at once. So after removing it, this one I want to remove the eMMC and the CPU. So keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Follow for more tutorials videos. So we are done removing the nice and then let's clean the board. We use the soldering wire to remove all the lead on the board. You can also use your workstation with a piece of soldering wire to remove the lead, but you can use this as a beginner. If you want to clean the board, if you are still a beginner, you can use your flux, your rosin flux, so you won't peel off the board pad. You understand? So you keep cleaning until it's well cleaned. So this is the beginning. Just watch the end, follow for more tutorials video. I'm gonna post how to clean your black pasted IC board, how to remove it step by step. So keep watching. Please don't forget to follow, like, comment and share for the complete and full video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Follow me on my social media handle and so on, so you can watch more tutorials video. Thanks for watching. Follow, like, comment and share.